little ducks went out one day, over the hill so far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 come back, come back. Oh, where did you go, my little pack? Quack, 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 come back, come back. Mama's calling, please don't slack. 4 little ducks went out one day, swimming through ponds where lilies lay. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Where are they hiding? Behind the trees, playing in puddles or chasing the breeze. 3 little ducks went out one day, flapping their wings in the sun's warm ray. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back.